Want to enable the built-in administrator account in Windows 11, 10, or 7? Quick safety note: enabling admin increases risk. Use temporarily and only when necessary. On Windows 11, press Windows, type CMD, right-click Run as Administrator. In the elevated prompt, type Net User Administrator/active, yes, then press Enter. On Windows 10, press Windows plus X, choose Computer Management, open local users and groups. Alternatively, run Net User Administrator/active, yes, from an elevated command prompt. On Windows 7, go to Control Panel, User Accounts, select Administrator, then Enable. You can also open an elevated CMD and run Net User Administrator/active, yes, on Windows 7. Advanced, edit HKUI_local_machine \SAM only if you know what you're doing. Recap: use Computer Management or Net User commands to enable, and set a strong password. To disable later, run Net User Administrator/active, no, and keep the admin account secured. Done. Always secure the account and restart when prompted.